Hello everyone, I'm Namita and on this channel I teach maths concepts for primary students in a very simple and clear way. Today is our first lesson and we'll start with place values in two-digit numbers, focusing on ones and tens. Alright, so first let's understand what does place value means. So as you can see that it is made up of two different words, right? First is place and the second is value, right? So place means the location where your particular digit that you're talking about is located, okay? And value means how much it's worth. All right, now let's understand, let's make it more clear what is actually location means. See, let's suppose you have a number 82 and then we have a number 28, right? So as you can see, these numbers have same digits 8 and 2, right? But the position of 8 is different in both the numbers. In the same way, you can see that the location, the place of 2 is also different in both the numbers, right? Okay, so now before moving ahead, let's understand digit and numbers, okay? So when you start reading numbers, we start with 0, right? 0, 1, 2, 3 till 9. What are these? These are numbers. Okay. Now, after 9, we have 10, 11, 12, right? And so on. What are these? These are also numbers. Then 100, 101, and so on. These are also numbers. So, what is the difference between them? The difference is the number of digits. So, from 0 to 9, we have single number digits. Okay, these are number having only one digit. From 10 to 99, these are also numbers, but they are two digit numbers. So these numbers from 10 to 99 have two digits. Okay, so we call them two digit numbers. In the same way, if we start from 100 till 999, we have three digit numbers. Okay, and from 1000 till 9999 we have four digits now in one number, right? So these are all numbers, only the number of digits differ. Okay, so I hope this is clear with you. All right, so now when we say the location, the place, what we actually mean, we mean the digits location. Okay, let's suppose we have a number 98. So what is the place of 8, digit 8 here? What is the place of digit 9 here? Okay, that's what actually place means. All right, so let me just erase this. Okay, now, so in today's lesson we are going to understand the place value in ones and tens place only. Okay, so let's make a table for the place value, tens place and ones place. Okay, so when you see the number 98, 8 is at ones place, okay, and 9 is at tens place. The rightmost digit will always be ones, and then as you start moving to left, you'll get tens place, then hundreds, and so on. After tens digit, we'll discuss hundreds, but in the next lesson. All right, so the digit which you have at ones place, multiply that with 1. Okay, and the digit which is at tens place, that will be multiplied by 10. Why? Because it tens. This is tens, right? So 10 times. So 9 multiplied by 10 and 8 multiplied by 1. Then we'll add them. So 9 multiplied by 10 becomes 90. 8 multiplied by 1 becomes 8. Then 90 plus 1, 90 plus 8 becomes 98. Alright, so that's how we get this number. So how do we say this? 9 tens and 8 ones, right? I've written like this so that you can understand it more clearly. Otherwise, the correct way would be you write completely in words. 9 tens and 8 ones. Okay, so the digit which is at tens place, you will multiply it by 10, and the digit which is at ones place, you will multiply it by 1 and then you will add them. Okay, all right, I hope it's clear. And now we'll practice it with a different number but with the same digits. Okay, so same digits means the digits will be 8 and 9 only. What we'll do, we'll change their places. We'll interchange their places. Okay, now 9 is at ones place and 8 is at tens place. Let's make the table again. So 9 is at ones place, right? So 9 will be multiplied by 1 and 8 will be multiplied by 10. Why? Because 8 is at tens place. Correct? Let's solve it further. 8 multiplied by 10 becomes 80. 9 multiplied by 1 becomes 9. We get 80 plus 9 and the number we get is 89. So how can we say it in words? It will be, try. Before I say, you should also try. It will be 8 tens and 9 ones, right? So as you can see here that digits are same, 9 and 8 in both the numbers. But just because their places are different, their value is different. Here it is 90 because 9 is at tens place. But in the second example, it is still 9 because it's at ones place. In the first number, 8 is just 8 because it is at ones place, so we multiplied it by 1. But here 8 is at tens place, so we multiplied it by 10 and it becomes 80. Alright, so the place of a digit in a number decides its value. Alright, I hope this concept is clear to you. Now I want you to try different numbers, okay, so that you have no confusion in the place value concept, and it will be easier for you to understand the place value in hundreds and thousands place, right? So I'll give you some example and I hope that you will solve it. Okay, do it for 57, 72, 99 and 10. Okay, what will be the process? You will make a table, you will write ones and tens, write the digit here which is at ones place in the number, write the digit at tens place here, multiply this by 10, multiply this by 1, then add them. Okay, and you will get the number. Okay, and write in words also what tens and what ones. Okay, all right, so See you in the next video with the place value in hundreds and thousands place. Thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.